My name is Sahil Bhargav. I'm currently heading strategy here at IFP Petro Products. I've done my graduation in chemical engineering from IIT Bombay. I graduated in 2019. I was working with Reliance Jamnagar for a year and a half, and now I've joined this role in January. In my personal capacity, I'm also I've got a huge passion for teaching. I teach in my free time. I teach work because I teach my employees English, and that's my personal passion and something that's very, very close to my heart. So that's just a bit about myself. About IFP, basically what we do. So currently, IFP Petro Products is into recycling of used lubricating oil. Not many people actually know that the engine oil of your cars or in your motorcycles can actually be recycled back to its original quality. Not a lot of people, less than 1% of the entire world actually knows this. So that's basically what we do. We take used lubricating oil, which is a hazardous waste, and we recycle it back to its original quality. It's basically magic, and we're really big on sustainability, on making the world a better place for future generations. And hopefully by recycling used engine oil or used oil, that's what we call it, we can do that for the future generations or the generation that are currently watching. Yeah, thanks. So I'm actually a third generation entrepreneur. So actually, the seeds of magic, or let's say inspiration, are actually in place by my grandmother, who actually started the recycling unit way back in 1977. She's actually the only woman recycler in the world in this space. So not a lot of women come in the petroleum or the petrochemical sector, but she's the only one that I know. I've been a part of this sector for a while now. So like, she's the biggest inspiration for this. Apart from that, being in IIT Bombay and like the kind of focus we have on sustainability and how do we want to give back to society, that's something that stayed with me over my 4 years in college, as well as working in Reliance Jamnagar, which is the world's biggest refinery. So once you're part of the non-renewable sector so much, which is the petroleum or the petrochemical sector, you realize that there's much more potential in the renewable sector. Like solar has been really big for a lot of years. You've got EVs coming up right now. But what we do is also a lot to do with creating a renewable sector and creating a circular economy in this space. So in itself, it's actually creating a renewable resource rather than treating it as a non-renewable resource. That's something that's come with time and with perspective. So the journey's been exciting, and like just like as we were discussing, like one of the biggest achievements, rather, or one of the finest moments that I've currently experienced is when I was able to recruit interns from my alma mater in IIT Bombay this summer. So that was exciting because I was on the other side too long, which was, I think, a good privilege to have. And also you can connect much better. And so the journey's been great. I've learned so much in the past year, in the past couple of years. I think the pandemic has accelerated the learning in this space much more, because this is a sector that was not equipped to deal with a virtual workplace, or rather interacting with people virtually. But nowadays that has actually made ease of business much better. You're able to interact with a lot of high ranking officials online, which otherwise you would have to make a lot of effort in actually getting their face-to-face time or in-person time. So to get that time virtually has actually been a benefit. And like seeing people being challenged, like in a positive space, how people who never thought they'd have to use computers or use laptops or use technology to actually do their daily work actually strive and actually do that, has been encouraging and quite inspirational in that sense. And I think I've learned much more watching other people learn in the past year much. I don't know if I have any wisdom in me yet, but just like what's the motivation for people who are watching this. So anyone who's looking to do, like, I'll just like to take a minute to acknowledge the great work that Talrang is currently doing. And having done the course myself, I can actually vouch for the fact that this is something that's solving a huge problem in the country. that employability of individuals is a huge challenge. I face that every day when I'm recruiting or when I am seeing my peers trying to recruit. And anything that can help you be more work friendly is a skill set that you must have. And I think anyone who's looking forward to do the course or who's done the course themselves would validate that this is a course that one should definitely enroll for, because you yourself develop so much. And it's not just the course curriculum itself, but it's the network. So even after 4 years, I'm quite connected with the entire network, with the entire team. So that's actually a benefit that is much more important in the long run. Like, there are courses that you do in your everyday life, in your colleges, etc., but this is a course that goes much beyond the curriculum and goes into creating a network. And when you're looking forward to working in the workplaces, this is something that you look back and look as if this is something that really helped you. And Talrank has definitely helped me, and I'm looking forward to having more people who've done the Talrank course, alumni of the Talrank network. And yeah.